kasi I'm suffering from severe osteoarthritis for the past 8-10 years na talagang I resorted to all like cortisone shots, like 3 kinds of shots and all the strong medications. Pero walang nag-work. And then I went to acupuncture medicine. I went to like infrared treatment. So walang effect. Then kasi I'm trying to avoid knee replacement, right? So lahat na lang ng pwedeng gawin, lahat ng nakita ko sa online ng mga magnetic massager, binibili ko. Lahat na lang ng yung mga parang light din, you know, they have like mga parang katulad sa atin, pero yung mga tig $60, meron na ako niyan. Tapos walang nag-ano. So sabi ng doktor ko, talagang kailangan ko ng knee replacement. Dapat last year, but nagkaroon ako ng triple bypass. So, no, syempre, hindi ako pwedeng magpa-surgery right away, di ba? Tapos, binigyan ako ng clearance ngayon ng cardiologist na pwede na ako magpa-knee surgery. So, pero before that, I was forced to retire because for the past 3-4 years, parang part-time na lang ako sa job because I couldn't even complete a single week to go to work because of pain. Nagiging laughing matter na ako sa work kasi if I complete 1 week in 3 months, they're gonna give me an award. That's what they tell me. Oh, Rose is here. You know, yung parang they're just making fun of me. So, sabi ko, I'm really suffering. And would you believe, I am already certified to use medical marijuana para lang sa pain, pero natakot akong inumin because that's very addicting. So, hindi ko siya ininom. Tapos, lahat na lang ng very strong medication binibigay na ng doktor ko. Hindi naman nag-work. So, sabi ko talagang, magpapa-schedule na talaga ako dapat. Inaantay ko lang itong winter or maybe February. But ito nga, yung friend ni Jay noticed. And third, I noticed yung blood pressure ko. Kasi one time, I missed one night. Then I went to my primary doctor. It was 148 over something, right? So he told me, why is it so high? But the reason was I missed the medication on purpose because he told me to fast because I'm going to have a blood work. So I didn't really take it on purpose. So I blame him. I said, you told me to fast, so I don't want to take the medication on an empty stomach, right? So last Tuesday, I went to my arthritis doctor, and Monday night, because we were talking until 2 a.m. with Aaron, I forgot to take my blood pressure medication again. But when the next day I went to my doctor, it's 125 over like 70. I said, oh my God, it's working. It's not just for pain, really, you know? So, talagang, that's why I sent my 2 sisters, my brother, my husband, because I want them to benefit, you know, like what I am benefiting now. So, talagang, kaya, grabe yung bibig ko ngayon, parang talagang sa mga friends ko, kaya, so far, ang daming interested na overwhelmed nga ako. Kasi, sabi ko, this is not just about money. Sabi ko sa kanila. So, ako na lang. Tapos, yung friend ko, pag naglalabas kami, pag bumaba ako sa car, they have to hold me. Kasi pilay na pilay ako. Tapos, ang pinagtatawanan pa nila ako because I used to say like, aray, you know. So, sabi nila, oh, Ate Rose, wala ka ng aray-aray. So, talagang I mean, sabi ko nga, if I lose weight more, kasi I can still feel the weight on my knee, but no pain, you know. So, iba na yun eh. Kaya sabi ko, dati, if I sit down and then parang pinupukpuk ko yung above the knee ko, ang sakit. ang sakit sa loob. Parang sa bone. Alam mo ngayon, kahit pukpukin ko ng todo-todo, wala akong napifeel. Parang namanhid ba? Ibig sabihin, wala akong pain. Kaya sabi ko, Diyos ko, talagang hopefully, kasi dinadasal ko talaga na paano ko mai-enjoy ang retirement ko if I'm in pain. So sabi ko, naku, nagiging totoo na yata yung kasabihan na the best part of your life is your retirement. So parang unti-unti, parang napifeel ko talaga siya, Weng. Sabi ko, Diyos ko, sana naman tuloy-tuloy. But I'm still, kahit nga late ako dumadating, I see to it na talagang mag-blow ako ng kahit 20 minutes na lang. Saka yung water ko, ganyan. Kaya sabi ko, hopefully, talagang inaano ko lahat ng benefits na makukuha ko sa buong katawan. Because I'm diabetic, I have high cholesterol. So sabi ko, sana, okay, I got off from my pain medication already. So kasi matapang siya, kaya hanggat pwede ayaw kong inumin. So ngayon, ang next target ko is get off from the metformin. That's a medication for diabetes. So yan ang next, and then next ko yung sa cholesterol. I'm just starting to really eat right. Kaya talagang yung parang, so I'm so excited na sabi ko nga, sana pagkaya ko na, I can do big meetings. Alam mo yon, yung sinabi ko kay Diego na gusto ko mag-product launch, yung prepared na ako, kasi pwede ka namang mag-rent ng venue, like the hotels, they have small meeting rooms, and you're just gonna rent it for 3 hours. Then you have all the, yung mga tarpaulin, whatever you call it. So I said, kakayanin ko na to soon. So yun ang goal ko. Aside from like my own health, everybody's health, my friends, my family, talagang excited ako. Talaga, wala akong masasabi na kundi I'm so excited. I'm looking forward dun sa talaga